In this video, we're going to use the Postman API to securely share a collection using a read-only token. I'm logged into the Postman web UI looking at a collection I'd like to share. Right now, I'm using a collection that's in my team workspace, so it's not accessible to the public. I'll click the More Actions icon to open the dropdown and click Share. In this window, I have a few different options for sharing this collection. For now, I'd like to look at the tab on the far right, Via API. Note that we used to call this tab Sharing via JSON link, and that was used to generate a static snapshot of the collection at a point in time, while now you'll have an endpoint that reflects the most current state of the collection. In this tab, I can generate a secure, read-only link to my collection JSON to share with a specific audience. If instead I wanted a public link to my collection that would allow anyone to fork it, I would use the Move Collection button here to move it to a public workspace. But in this case, that's not what I'm looking to do. I'm going to leave it in my team workspace and share it with specific people. I click Generate New Key, and now the token is visible only when I hover over it with the cursor. If I want to see how many of these keys I've generated, I can click Manage Keys. This link brings me to my API key page. The section labeled Collection Access Keys shows me partially masked versions of all the keys I've generated to grant access to my collections, with the collection name and the date each key was created. All collection access keys are read-only, which you can see under Access Type. I can also delete keys here if I need to revoke them. I can go back to the Share window and use the copy icon to share the Postman API URL that contains the access key. Now I'm ready to share my collection JSON with my collaborators in Postman.